Hi everyone, welcome back to the new class. The last class we are discussing about time. Then we are discussed about hands, our hand. Short hand is called our hand. Then long hand is called the minute's hand. Then one more hand is second hands. Then one more thing we are studying. Do you remember? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, then 24 hours equal to 1 day. Do you remember that? Okay, now we are study the seconds and converting. How to convert seconds converted into minutes and seconds. Then also what are minutes and seconds converted into seconds. Okay, how to convert this? We already know that 60 seconds equal to what? 1 minute. By heart this. Okay. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So, first of all, you are given one question. 65 seconds equal to dash minutes and dash seconds. Two ways you have find out the minutes and seconds. The first way is you split the number. Split this number 65 into, split the numbers is 65. How to split it? We already know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Then we are splitting this number 65 equal to 60 plus 5. Okay, or you are doing what? Doing or the minus this the given number with a 60. Okay, then first of all you are splitting this number depend upon 60, 65 equal to 60 plus 5, 65. This is the minutes, this is the seconds. 60 seconds equal to what? 1 minute. So we can write 1 minute, 5 seconds. Understood how to convert second into minutes and second. We are taking 65, the split into 65 depending upon 60. So we can write 60 plus 5. So 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So write here. Then 5 seconds is balance. So write 5 here. Then how to convert 110 seconds into minutes and seconds. Then you are doing the 110 equal to depend upon 60. Then 60 plus. Count it. 60 plus which number equal to 110? 60. Then count 10 each in your finger. Okay, 60 is here. Then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Count 10 each in your fingers. One finger equal to what? 10. So we can count 10 each in your finger. 60 after 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Then reached 110. We get what? 50. One finger equal to 10. So this is a 5 fingers. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens equal to 50. Then 60 plus 50 equal to what? 110. So we already know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So balance this is the seconds. So we can write 1 minute 50 seconds. Understood how to write here? 110 seconds converted into minutes and seconds. Always we are writing the numbers depend upon 60. Then you count one finger equal to 10. Like that you count it and write the seconds. Okay, then also 80. 80 equal to 60 plus. Again you count after 60. 70, 80. We got what? One finger equal to 10. You always remember that. Then we got 2 finger, 2 tens are 20. So 60 plus 20. So this is the minutes. This is the seconds. So we can write 1 minute 20 seconds. Understood all of you how to convert second into minutes and seconds depend upon 60. Then you use your fingers and count, but always you remember one thing, one finger equal to 10. Understood? All of you understood this, sir. 65 seconds equal to 1 minute and 5 seconds. Next we have to study the minutes and seconds converted into seconds. Minutes and seconds converted into seconds. Okay, then I will write some numbers here. So, 2 minutes, 15 seconds. First question is 2 minutes, 15 seconds. We already know that 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Then what about the 2 minutes? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes equal to what? 2 minutes equal to 60 plus 60. Understood? Understood all? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here giving 2 minutes. So 2 minutes equal to 60 plus 60. What is 60 plus 60? 6 plus 6, 0. 1 is the carry. Not carry over 6 plus a 0. 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 6, 12. We got what? 120. Okay, plus what? 15 seconds also here. So, 2 minutes equal to 120, then 15 seconds. So, 120 plus 15. 5, 3, 1. We got what? 135 seconds. Understood how to get 135 seconds. They already given 2 minutes and 15 seconds is here. 2 minutes equal to 60 plus 60, 120 plus 15. So, 120 plus 15 is equal to 135. Understood how to convert minutes and seconds into seconds? Understood. Then I will write the one more question. 2 more questions. So listen. This is 3 minutes. 3 minutes 30 seconds. We already know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 3 minutes equal to what? 3 minutes. 60 plus 60 plus 60. How many 60? 360. Also you are doing 60 into 3. Do you know the multiplication table? So you should study the table 1 to 10. So we can write this easily. Or we are adding 3 times of 60. Or you are multiply by 60 into 3. 3 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 3 minutes equal to 60 into 3. What is 60 into 3? 6 3s are 18. Then 1 0 is 60. 60 into 3 what? 300. 3 6 are 18. So answer is 180. So also 30 seconds are given. So we can write 180 plus 180 plus 30. 3 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 3 what? 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is the carry over 1 plus 1, 2. Then total is 210. Understand how many seconds? 3 minutes and 30 seconds equal to 210 seconds. Understood. Then this is also given the 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Minutes only. 4 minutes equal to how many seconds? We already know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 4 minutes equal to what? 4 minutes equal to 4 into 60. So you should study the table 6. You should study the table 6. So we can write what? 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. Then this 0 is put here. 240. 6 4s are 24. This 0 is put here. We got 240. So 4 minutes equal to 240 seconds. Understood all of you how to find out the seconds converted into minutes and seconds since the reverse. Minutes and second converted into second. All is based on 60. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay children. Understood all. Now we are discussing the next problem. Write all this time in order from the least to the most. Least to the most. What is least? What is most? smallest to the biggest. Least means small. Most means big. So we can arrange these time in smallest to the biggest. Okay. Then first of all read the time. The minutes and seconds are given. Then 3 minutes 8 seconds, 2 minutes 5 seconds, 2 minutes 15 seconds, 1 minute 45 seconds, 3 minutes 38 seconds. First of all you consider the minutes. So the minutes and seconds are given. The minute is the biggest one. So first of all you are considering the minutes. Which is one? Which minutes has least time? 3 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute? Can you guess it? Which one is the least time? Yes, what is 1 minute 45 seconds? Then we are arranging this time in least to the most. Then answer. Then 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay. Then we are arranging these numbers. The 2 minutes are given. First 2 minutes 5 seconds. 2 minutes 15 seconds. Which is the smallest one? You are comparing the second. This is the 5 seconds. This is the 15 seconds. The minutes are same. Which is the smallest one? 2 minutes 5 seconds. So we are right 2 minutes 5 seconds. Okay. Then next what? 2 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, then last one, the 3 minutes 8 seconds and 3 minutes 38 seconds are given. We want to write these numbers arranged from least to the most. So first of all, you write the smallest time, the least time. So we can write 3 minutes 8 seconds. 3 minutes 8 seconds. What is SCC? SEC. This is the second, short form of seconds. MIN what? This is the short form of minutes. Okay, 3 minutes 8 seconds. The last one, 3 minutes 38 seconds. Understood all? Okay, now we are arranging the time in least to the most. Then once again you read this number 1 minute 45 seconds, 2 minutes 5 seconds, 2 minutes 15 seconds, 3 minutes 8 seconds, 3 minutes 38 seconds. This way we can arrange the time in least to the most. Understood all? Okay children, let's stop now. Then we will discuss the new topic on the next class. Then we will catch up later.